It's day two in the baby brother house. Tig is just up out of bed and is lying about doing nothing. Hello, my name is Tig. I'm just up out of bed and did a dirty nappy. I haven't got much to say in this video diary except say hello to all my fans, my big brothers Donica and Asheen are treating me okay. My daddy is fantastic. I hope to see you all again soon.